Good afternoon everyone. Bit of a short video on my Land Rover Defender D90 truck cab. It's a Team Raffi body on a modified FTX Outback version 2 chassis. The wheelbase has been extended to the correct wheelbase to fit the body shell, which I think is 275mm. Just very quickly going around the body, you can see it's got a metal rollover cage. Goes round both sides there. One of the advantages with these Team Raffi bodies is the detail you get with them. We've got opening doors, you can see inside. Excuse the hot glue from my driver. Got a terrier dog in there and a cup of coffee. Going round to the rear of the vehicle, you got a opening tailgate and a couple of sand ladders that are held in with magnets, keep them nice and secure. We go round to the front, have the bonnet open, and inside is where all the electronics have been placed. It's got a Hobbywing 1080 ESC. The battery has been moved, so it's now running in line with the front axle, so there's a lot of weight up front. The balloons there can have the light board in them and the winch controller, which sits on the front, which runs off the third channel on the radio. And then I get asked a lot about the wheels. These are RC four-wheel drive deep dish wheels, and they are RC four-wheel drive IROC tyres. The shock absorbers are from a Cross RC with the blue springs. The body on these is very heavy, so it needs a lot of resistance on the springs, and the shocks, I think from memory, have 35 weight oil in them. As I said, it's got a lighting kit in there, and that's it really. And yeah, I hope you like my truck. Thank you.